Now, U.S. stocks were indeed holding on to steady gains this afternoon, rebounding from a three-day sell-off this following strong global economic data as well as Federal Reserve comments supporting the economic recovery. Now, earlier in the day, U.S. stocks gained on global economic news, that of which included China's second quarter GDP figures coming in slightly above expectations at 9.5%. And the nation of Italy accelerated its efforts to pass a 40 billion euro austerity plan. And in the United States, in economic reports, import prices fell for the first time in nearly 1 year, posting a 0.5% decline for the month of June. But attention later in the afternoon turned all to the Federal Reserve as Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke issued comments supporting economic recovery, even if it means further stimulus be put into place. And at the same time, in the commodity markets, we had oil prices rallying on a drop in inventories, rising more than $1.60. The U.S. dollar fell against its higher-yielding counterparts on growing risk appetite, and of the 2.5 million shares trading today at the New York Stock Exchange, roughly 84% of them were in the green and 15% were in the red. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session, the Dow Jones up a total of 44.73 points to settle in at 12,491.61. Now, when I break down of today's major market movers, we first begin with the shares of Netflix rising more than 3%. This after it announced additional charges to its pricing strategy that will include its plans to separate its DVD and streaming services into two separate membership options. Meanwhile, shares of Kinetic Concepts were rising a total of 6%. This on news that the medical technologies company has agreed to be bought out by funds advised by Apex Partners. And News Corp saw its stock rise more than 4% today, this as it withdrew its bid to purchase British Sky Media, this amid investigations into the company using illicit reporting methods.